Hi viewers, in this class we are going to study about basic logic gates. So how many gates are basic logic gates? AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So basic logic gates mostly uses for binary addition, multiplication and complement of a variables, single variables. So first one, AND gate. There are two variables, A, one of input, B, other one input. We will get the final output Y. So Boolean expression we are going to write Y is equal to A dot B. A product of B. So what are the possibles to write? Two set of inputs, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. If we are going to give the two inputs here means what will be the output? So Y is equal to product operation. So what is the output? 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the AND gate. AND gate is the process for binary multiplication. A and B, there are two input variables. We will get the output Y. So Boolean expression for AND gate or Y is equal to A product of B. Next gate, OR gate. So OR gate is used to find out the binary addition. So there are two inputs here, A and B. We will get the output here Y. This is for OR gate. So Boolean expression for OR gate is Y is equal to A plus B. There are two set of input variables. Now I am going to write the possible inputs. First input 0, 0. Second one 0, 1. Third one 1, 0. Fourth one 1, 1. Now we are going to get a output 0, 0. Binary addition 0, 1, 1, 1. So OR gate is used to find out the binary addition of two input variables. So next one, NOT gate. NOT gate used to find out the complement of single variables. This is a basic NOT gate. Here we are going to use the single input. So we are going to get the output here. Y is equal to complement of input variable. Hence we are going to write Y is equal to A complement. So capital A or input variables means we will get the output complement of A. Here we are going to give single input 0, 1. There are two possible only. If we are going to give 0 means we will get 1. If we are going to give 1 means we will get value 0. This is a complement of input variables. Okay. Next one, NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate. These three gates combination of these three gates. So AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate are mostly called as basic gates. Using these basic gates, we are going to do the NAND gate operation, NOR gate operation, exclusive OR gate operation. Now we are going to study about NAND gate. Basic diagram for NAND gate. So combination of AND gate plus NOT gate. Hence we are going to write it here. This is the absolute diagram for NAND gate. Both are same. Boolean expression for NAND gate, we are going to write y is equal to product of complement. So there are two input variables A and B. We are going to get the output y. Now I am going to write possible input values. 0, 0, first possible. 0, 1, second possible. 1, 0, third one. 1, 1, fourth possible values. Input values. Okay. Now we are going to get output. NAND operation was done here. We will get the output. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 complement, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 complement, 1, 1, 1 multiplication, complement, 0. These are truth table for NAND gate. Next one, NOR gate. NOR gate is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. Hence we are going to write it here. So there are two input variables A and B. We will get the output y. Now we are going to write the Boolean expression y is equal to A plus B complement. Now we are going to write the truth table. So A and B, there are two possible inputs. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. First one addition, second one complement. 0, 0, 0, complement of 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, complement of 1, 0, third possible inputs, 1, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, complement of 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, complement of 1, 0. These are truth table for NOR gate. Sixth one, exclusive OR gate. So exclusive OR gate, write it here. Here also there are two input variables A and B. We will get the output y. So Boolean expression for exclusive OR gate, right, like this, y is equal to A exclusive OR B. Here we are going to write the truth table 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So we are going to write output exclusive OR gate operate. Two input variables are same means we will get the output 0. First set. two input variables are same means we will get the output 0. Here also 1, 1, two high values, we will get the output 0. Next one 1, 1. If two input variables are different means we will get the high output 1, 1. These are truth table for exclusive OR gate. So these are basic logic gates. So AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate. There are 6 gates. AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate are basic gates. Using basic gates, we are going to use the NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate. So combination of basic gates are called as NAND gate, NOR gate and exclusive OR gate. Thank you viewers.